Some strategies to maximize profits in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can employ a lot of different techniques depending upon whom you ask or talk to about it. We all know that it depends on your products and affiliate program, but that doesn't mean that you should neglect your website. Take some time to better your online presence and better your affiliate marketing strategy. Investing in a personal organizer is a great tip to use if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Even if you're only using the organization features on your cell phone, you should make a note of your tasks, your schedules, your meetings, and other important information you will need to know about at any given moment. Many affiliate marketers make the common mistake of trying too hard to be a super affiliate. They end up squashing their efforts too thin, with an overload of products and promotions that end up being much less than effective in the highly competitive affiliate market. Remember that there is no such thing as maximum results. It is important to take time and look for the best method that will apply to you. Use direct or deep linking. This means linking directly to the item a consumer is interested in rather than the home page of the company selling it. A prospective buyer is not interested in clicking through multitudes of pages to find what they are looking for. Help ease this process by linking them directly to it. You should always be aware of the payout structure of your affiliate product. It is fine to go with a product that generates only one payout, but products that offer recurring payments and even upsell offers are the ones you should be going after with the most gusto. You're in this game to make money. It's true that your website should triumph on its own based on its appearance and your products and services. That said, you can take it further by marketing through affiliates. You can always improve upon your website, and hopefully these tips gave you advice on how to create a good affiliate marketing plan. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.